I would say most people, at least early on in their giving, are just writing a check. And what they're doing is they just think as their net worth grows, then the check size can grow. And so at some point along the way, they start to realize that the goal of giving shouldn't be just to increase the size of their donation, but the impact of it. They've put all this time and effort into other strategies that are advanced, if you will, but not in the giving part of their life. And I think the uniqueness of Brightwell is that they're allowing people to take what the IRS is incentivizing, and they're able to give it to the charities that they actually care about.
A good nonprofit likes to keep their overall operating expense to 35% or less. Utility expense is one that they can't ever say no to. It's going to be a non-negotiable.
You keep seeing every year that energy becomes a bigger and bigger slice of your pie of the overall dollars that you have to be spending.
Prices of fuel are going up, grids are old, and that nets a price, sometimes in the last couple of years, double-digit increases. When a nonprofit has a double-digit increase to a non-negotiable, it's a tough hit. Brightwell came from very generous people looking at a problem that their churches, their school, homeless shelters, they gave generously to. They essentially saw solar as a really cool solution that could be put on to eliminate ongoing expenses that no nonprofit wants to deal with. And so Brightwell was all about how do we figure out how to unlock that generosity for not just this person's favorite homeless shelter, but for anyone that wants to help their community. We dug in with the greatest tax minds, CPA, accounting, legal minds to say, how can we unlock generosity in a broad way? And that's how Brightwell was formed. If you're an impact investor or you're somebody that pays taxes, that's a problem you have. And it's not a bad problem, it's just it's where part of your capital is going. And you also typically are someone that's very generous and cares a lot about things in your local community.
We can make those dollars go much broader than you've ever contemplated before. You can unlock dollars that you never thought you could get access to.
There's never been a time like now to do a solar project with an unlimited amount of incentives available to investors, with the highest utility cost we've ever had in the nation and the lowest cost of solar. It's this perfect time where an investment just makes a lot of sense. We've taken something very complex, very robust, no one's doing this, and made it so simple for someone to just click a few things, look at an opportunity, and then go gift something to something they love.